fan I have cat Here the word families of the shore.
Welcome to a special day in the Kindergarten 3 Dragon Room, 𝐴𝑛𝑢𝑏𝑎𝑛 𝐶𝐻 School. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of phonics, a method that makes reading and writing so much fun. Our amazing educator, Teacher Jovi, is here to guide the children on their learning journey. We started the lesson with some energetic physical activities. The children moved their bodies and sang along to lively songs, getting their minds and spirits ready for a day of learning. It's a great way to build a positive and engaging classroom atmosphere. Next, we focused on today's lesson, the short A vowel sound. We explored different word families like ab, ad, at, am, an, and ap. Through this, the children are learning to connect sounds with letters and groups of letters. It's time for the hands-on activity. The students are practicing reading and spelling CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant words. You can see their concentration and excitement as they sound out words like bag, cap, man, and rat.
Okay, can you read this word? Again, please. Very good. Thank you, sir. So now,
This activity helps them build confidence and truly understand how to read new words easily. This engaging and interactive approach to phonics is not only effective, but incredibly fun. It shows that learning to read can be an exciting adventure.
วิถีอนุบาลคำแหงประสบการณ์การเรียนรู้ที่แตกต่างแลนด์มาร์คแห่งการเรียนรู้และค้นพบตัวเอง Empathy of Humanity Ministry of Happiness โรงเรียนอนุบาลคำแหง